We will now proceed towards the first exercise of playing with numbers. Question number 1. Question is, write all the factors of the following numbers. A few numbers are given. Of these numbers, we have to write the factors. You already know what are factors. That is, the given numbers will be divisible by what all numbers. That is, these numbers are coming into which table. All those tables will be considered as these numbers factors, right? So for writing the factors, we should be thorough with the divisibility rules, right? So divisibility rules already we have studied in previous class. Once again, we will go through few divisibility rules. In your textbooks, all of you, when you will come to page number here, yes, 54, okay. Here you will find few tests for divisibility of numbers. Divisibility by 10, 5, 2, then 3, 6, 4. So many rules are given here. One quick recap I will give you for rules of divisibility, so it will be easy for you to write the factors. How can you say the given number is factor of 10? Just keep in mind that if that number is having in its ones place 0, if that number is having 0 in ones place, that number will be divisible by 10. Got it, na? Can you say 66 divisible by 10? No. Why? Because 6 is not 0, right? And can you say 60 as divisible by 10? Yes, because it is having 0 in ones place. So all these numbers now which are given here, which we have to, where it is, we have to write the factors. We should know the divisibility rules. So what is the rule for 10? Any number is having 0 in its ones place, that number will be that number's factor will be 10. Got it? Then 5. What is the rule for 5? Already we know that in its one place it should be either 0 or 5. Okay, that number's ones place. Suppose it is 105. Is it divisible by 5? Yes. Yes, its factor will be 5. Why? Because its ones place is 5. Got it? And will this number be divisible by 5? No, because it is having 6 in its ones place. Or 100 is 5 is factor of 100? Yes, because 0 is in its ones place. So 10 and 5 rule is clear. For 10, it should have 0. Just you see the ones place number. If ones place is 0, you write its factor 10. You see in ones place 5, you write its factor 5, like that. Okay. Now we'll see divisibility rule of 2. What is the rule? Divisibility rule for 2 is its ones place should be 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Keep in mind. Okay, that number, if it is having 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in its ones place, that means 2 also will be the factor of that number. You can see here 2467. Will 2 be its factor? No. Why? Because 7 is in its ones place, right? This also 2 will not be the factor because 9 is in its ones place. When any number will be the factor of 2? Whenever it is having these given numbers in its ones place. Got it, na? Like 36. Will it be the factor of 2? Yes, because it is having in its ones place 6. Is it clear? So 2, 5 and 10 we have done. Now we'll see rule for divisibility rule for 3. Very simple. The digits of the given number you add, and while adding the number which is coming, if that number is divisible by 3, means the complete number is divisible by 3. Means 3 is the factor of that given number. For example, you see 260. Suppose we have to write the factors of 260. What we will do? We will add the digits here. That is 2 plus 6 plus 0. When we will add, what we will get here? 8. Is 8 coming in the table of 3? No, 8 is not coming now. So 3 will not be the factor of 260. Are you getting my point? I hope all are getting, because already in previous class I have taught you all these things, right? So what is the rule for 3? Very simple. The given numbers, digits we will add, and after adding the digits, just you see the answer is coming in the table of 3 or not. If it is coming in the table of 3, means 3 is the factor of that number, and if the answer is not coming in the table of 3, 3 is not the factor of that given number. Is it clear? Just while you will go through the page number 54 and 55, now you just don't look all these things. You just see the dark points. Okay, you see the bold letters, I mean bold statements. It will be very clear to you. Now you see divisibility rule for 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. While you are writing the factors, always what is the first factor? We know that 1 is the first factor. We will write there 1. Second factor is the number itself. Then third, we will begin from 2 now. So when we are writing the factors, if any 2 is coming and 3 also is coming, that means 6 will itself be the factor of that given number. Are you getting my point? I'll tell you with one example. You see 27. Is 27 the factor of 2? No. It is the factor of 3? Yes. So this is the factor of 3 but not of 2. So will it be the factor of 6? It will not be the factor of, 6 will not be the factor of 27. Okay. Because 2 is not its factor. And if I will ask you for writing the factors of 18, so you will write that 2 as its factor. 3 also as its factor, means 18 is having 2 and 3 both as factor. Then 6 also will become its factor. I hope it is clear. Now, if any number is having 2 and 3 both in its factor, then 6 will itself considered as its factor. Okay, and 27, 3 is only the factor, not 2. So 6 will not be the factor. So 6 rule is what? If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, any number when 2 and 3 both are its factor, then 6 itself will become its factor. Okay. Then what is the rule for 4? You see, a number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if number formed by last 2 digits is divisible. Very simple. You see, suppose the number is 212. You just divide this 212 by 4. You divide this 212 by 4. Any remainder is left, then it will not be the, 4 will not be the factor of this number. Right? You will divide this number with 4. You will divide this number with 4. Any remainder is left, then this will not be the factor. And if no remainder means completely divisible, means 4 will be the factor. Are you getting my point or not? Just if 4-digit number is there, no need to divide complete 4-digit. You just divide last 3-digit, that is 5, 3 and 2 with 4. When you will divide it, if you will get no remainder, means 4 will be the factor. Rule is clear. Any number is divisible by 4 when it is having no remainder left after division. After division, no remainder left. And when we are having a number, larger number like 5-digit, 6-digit, no need to divide that complete number. Just you take the last 3-digit, ones, tens and 100. Those 3 digits you divide with 4. No remainder means it will be divisible, and if remainder left, then not divisible. 4 is clear. 8 also same. 4 or this one, number formed by last 3 digit divisible by 8. Simple. You will just take the given number, like suppose 7 is 73,512 is divisible by 8. How can you say? You will take the last 3 digits. Okay, last 3 digits you divide with 8. 512 divide with 8. If remainder is left, means not divisible. Remainder is not left, means divisible. 8 and 4 rules are same. 9 is also same as the rule for 3. Okay, what was the rule for 3? We will add the numbers. We were adding the numbers. We will add the digits. And if the answer of the addition of digits is divisible by 9, means yes, it is divisible by 9. If the sum of the digits are divisible by 9, the number is divisible by 9. Got it clear now? So this is the rule for 9. So in this clip we have discussed for 10, 5, 2, 3, 6, 4 and 9. 8 and 9, right? Rule for 11, just right after this clip I will share. Okay, with these divisibility rules it becomes very easy to write the factors.